Hey, it's Dr. Schmidt at Alabama Weight Loss Surgery in Birmingham. Today, I wanted to talk about a horrible story in the news that I'm sure many of you have seen. There's a phenomenon called medical tourism. And so people looking for a better price travel to other countries. They'll go to Turkey, they'll go um, you know, to Eastern Europe, and also most go to Mexico. And so recently there was a woman from South Carolina who went to Mexico for a tummy tuck. Lots of patients go to Mexico for weight loss surgery as well. And I understand they go to save some money. And it's true, their price is a little bit cheaper, but not a whole lot cheaper than our price. And I wanted just to tell you, what you get and what the difference is. And so the main thing is safety. And I'm not just talking about travel safety. And I posted a few weeks ago, there is in place a travel advisory from the State Department not to go to Mexico because of the kidnappings and the murders. And that's exactly what happened to this unfortunate woman who was going there to have a medical procedure to save some money. So besides that, what you get is just safety with the procedure. When you have surgery with me, the facilities are certified and inspected by organizations that are there to ensure patient safety. So that's the biggest thing, safety. You get a university-trained surgeon. Myself and Dr. Wood, both trained at the University of Alabama hospitals. We are Center of Excellence surgeons, and that is a whole program that we have to continually work to maintain the credentials as Center of Excellence. We're Center of Excellence with the ASMBS, and other insurances have their own little certification Center of Excellence doctors, like Blue Advantage for Blue Cross Blue Shield, and of course we're Center of Excellence doctors with all of those things. Part of that is continuous quality improvement. We have meetings every quarter where we talk about what we can do better. If anything, it wasn't up to standard, what we can do. And this is the absolute truth. The Center of Excellence doctors have to report their data anonymously, and we know what the standard is, and everything is exceeding standard with Dr. Wood and myself, except maybe out of 10 things, maybe 3 were, as expected. We're meeting the standard. So outstanding quality when you come to us. And that leads to proven results. So if you followed our Facebook page, you see what patients say, and the results we get. The other thing is, what if you did have complications? We're men, I'm not, surgery is surgery and things can happen. And I'm never going to tell you that complications aren't possible. I will tell you this, talking about complications. So we have Complication Insurance, and we have the biggest company that provides complication insurance to bariatric surgeons and plastic surgeons for people who are paying for their surgery. And they've told me not once but twice on a few years apart that Alabama Weight Loss Surgery has the lowest complication rate of all of their insureds for bariatric surgery. So you get proven results, proven low complication rates. And then finally, if you did have a problem and you think it was me, that I fell below the standard of care, well, in America, we have a remedy for that. You get to take me to court and say, Dr. Schmidt messed up and I want satisfaction. Good luck with that, with your Mexican surgeon. And finally, follow-up. If you have surgery with us, we're here. We're going to be here forever because when I finally retire, there's going to be other doctors following on to continue the practice. You're not going to be abandoned. You're always going to have somebody to take care of you. And if you go to Mexico and have your surgery in Mexico, well, your surgeon is in Mexico. And believe me, I have people contact my office very frequently, more than once a month, wanting me to take over their care because they had surgery in Mexico and they're having problems and they don't want to go back to Mexico. So I hope you understand the great value of staying home and having surgery with someone like us. Our price is incredibly competitive, $9,990. That includes complication insurance, includes lifetime follow-up. You can learn more about it at our website, alabamawls.com.